What are we doing this morning?
3.
You fired up?
Yeah.
You excited? Okay. It's gonna be good.
Let's go, Jack. Let's go. It's 3 a.m. time. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
It scared me. I was just sleeping. I wake up. I see this crazy man looking at me. Let's go.
What is this sleeping?
You can move your seat back.
Oh, let me lock my car before those creepers go in there.
Yeah. We don't either.
It looks like you guys have been here before.
Yeah, that's the way we like it.
Well, it's on the shelf.
All right.
Like our first river crossing.
All right.
Hey, Jack, does this stop us?
You gotta
Jack,
find a
no
way
bridge.
through, Jack.
You don't go through the bridge. You said it's closed.
Yeah, Jack, bridge is closed.
Bridge is closed.
We gotta go through the water.
Yeah. Looks like I'd head up this way, Jack. Watch up footing.
Find a path.
Don't embrace it, Jack. Right here. Here, you can follow me.
There it is.
You really win. Because you get to do it twice.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good looking waterfall, Jack. Oh, we are blessed today. That is flowing.
Hey. Where you strip down, Jack?
My GoPro's here.
All right, I'll get you with mine.
Hold that. Here, I'll throw these in and I'll take them off.
Oh,
Oh, Jack,
yeah.
you're a big boy.
What?
You don't get that bucket.
What?
You get a big boy's bucket.
Okay. I thought there was like a snake or something.
Okay? And then, Jack, while you're in there,
What's that?
you gotta stretch these out.
Oh.
Alright?
Okay, wait, so
Hold on.
why does 10 push-ups under the waterfall and then 10 squats?
You do them in whatever order you want. Come over here to the right. Come down this way. And then it's speed is key.
Did you just caught some pictures?
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Is this running, John?
It's running.
All right, just throw them out. Just throw them out, Jack. Yep. Toss it.
All right, where'd that other one go? I know. All right, we gotta go quick. Quick, in and out. Jack, grab your bucket.
Floating away. There you go. Good job.
Oh, God.
Grab it. Grab it. Oh, I can't.
Hold on. All right, we're gonna find that later. Grab another one, Jack. Go. Grab the big one.
Yeah.
You gotta fill it up.
Dump the bucket. And then.
Here, John, take yours. Do it together.
All right, let's go, Jack.
You do it together.
Let's go.
John, is this still on?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay. Oh,
All
shoot.
right, it's gonna be cold. It just goes quick. Go quick. All right, bucket. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Ready? Whoa! All right.
Do it.
Jack. All right, we're doing squats. Here, come deeper, deeper, deeper. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jack, you're wasting time. You gotta do the air squats.
7, 8.
There you go.
9. Get that face in the water. Ready? Run to the waterfall.
Hold your hand. Hold his hand.
Gotcha. I'm coming on this side. You know it's cold. We got this. We got this, buddy. Ready? 1. Yeah! Alright, go out! Woo! I got you! Woo! Alright, we shake it off!
Hey, give the sign here.
What?
Give the
I'm
3M
awesome.
sign. Nice.
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna give you all your sweatshirt. 3M sweatshirt, Jack. I can get it off, John. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, you hold it in. It's kind of weird. There we go. That'll warm you up. Your legs are gonna be a little cold, but once you start hiking back, they'll warm up. Yeah. Just like that. Alright, Jack. So you want this on?
Alright.
So Jack.
Woo! Way to go, Jack! Alright, we're good.
Wait, really?
Jackson Fagan, on behalf of 3AM Waterfalls, today, December 30th, 2019, you have officially earned your 3AM challenge coin. Congratulations. Shake my hand.
Look at the camera, boys. Nice. Jack, look away. Look at your dad. Okay.
All right, hold it up.
Nice.
Wait, so the numbers here, if you translate.
Can neither
right.
confirm nor deny that, Jack.
We'll edit that out of the video so people don't know. You hold on to that the whole way back.
Yeah. This is awesome. This is definitely going up on my wall.
Yeah? You earned that. Good job.